What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to check out all of the JavaScript array methods, and this idea actually came to me because I'm working on my React course. I wanted to integrate all of the JavaScript array methods in the course, but I didn't want to actually have them in the course because this would just take up time of your time of the course, and it would also, I don't like to have material that adds to the time which is not actually referring to the core material itself. So adding JavaScript into a React course will be redundant because maybe most of you will already know methods, but I do want to have them as an option. So the way I figured out to do this is by creating a website, and this website is this website that you see right here. And what you can do in this website is you can just go around and click on any of the methods. Now the method is going to be displayed here as a title, then the definition of the method. Then you're going to have down here an example, also a solution for, basically the solution will be either for the last console log or for the very last example. I'm going to show you another couple of examples for them. Now you will also have the video tutorial from my YouTube channel to the right side. So if you want to check out the tutorial and the explanation, you can do so. Again, not adding to the total hours of the course. It's going to be basically free. Now this website is live now. You can check it out. You can just go to my Norbert VM, to my webpage where I have my blogs. You can see the all JavaScript array methods. Hey, I didn't add a thumbnail to that. And there you go. You will also have a couple of examples down here, all of the methods explained. And up there, up here, if you click on that, then it's going to leave you to the side. Now the site, as I said, is up. You can check it out, and you can either, for example, let's check out again, the video to right side, and you can just right click, inspect, and you will have in a console log, go to the console. I'm using Firefox right now just for no, we don't use Firefox, but do need to use it for a couple of explanations. So go to the right side, you will see that it's going to actually log every from so basically the solution. But what I would recommend, close this up, is to copy. I integrated a clipboard copy functionality to the website. So click on this, you're going to have an alert, copy to clipboard, and then you can just pop up a Visual Studio Code. Just open this puppy up right here, open live server, pop this puppy up right here, open with live server, and you can right click, inspect, and just open up the console. There's nothing to expect, but if you also add the JavaScript file to it and paste this in here, then you will see that, wait a second, let me increase this, and there we go. It's going to get false. Why is this false? Because, wait. So, what we have here, well, we have here a return age greater than 18. So basically we're looping over this array and we're applying the every method to it, and it's going to check from ages. You're going to pass in the age. This is just a helper function. It's going to check if this is true. You can also change this. Basically we're now having false, none of them. And if I would comment out this one, this return, and comment back this one, is there anyone with the age greater or equal to 10? And we're going to get true. Also, you can check out the next one, but I don't want to bore you with this. So basically, you can just go through the website for each method. We can copy this to the clipboard and replace everything that we have here. Whoops, did I just copy? Okay, and replace it here. And now if we check out the console, let's see, hit save. We're going to have, what do we have here? I have too many console logs. So we are logging for each user, the very last one, for each user element index, so far and so on. We're going to get the index plus a empty string right here, and plus the element.name, and let me make this larger. We're going to get Laura. Now, and the last one, we're going to add element that as the age method that only returns the age from the element. And this is why you're going to see here. So basically we're having 0 Arabella. Let's take a look at our users array here, an array of objects. We're looping over the array, and we're going to get back the objects, each with the index right here. So this is basically index 0, the first position, then index 1, the second position, and the first position is, so it's index plus empty string plus the element. These are the elements because we're looping over the elements. So for each element, give me the index, which is here, and give me the element. And from the element, because the element is the entire object, we can select the name, for example. This is why you're seeing here 0 and Arabella, 1 and Karina, 2, and Norbert. That's me. Now, the other ones, for example, here we're going to get back console log elements, all of the elements ages, and this is because this is why you're seeing integrated here the age. I can also do here, let's say plus empty string and then element dot age, and you should also see the the age getting another plus sign, the age also getting displayed. So number 2 index, element name, Norbert, and age. So there are actually all of the example. Have the map method, the includes, index of, is array, join, so far and so on, all of them with video explanations. Let me do a quick demonstration, and there we go. Let Norbert live. Okay, so not a coding video, as I said, but a really useful website. I hope for all of you. The website is free. The website is usable for everyone, so please check it out. I'm going to leave the link down in the description below, and I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and click that notification bell in order to get notified when I do release new videos. Remember, YouTube will not always show you if I do release the new video if you don't have the notification bell checked. Also, check out my courses, anything that I'm affiliated with, and have a lovely day. Catch you on the flip side. Bye bye.